So, you need a new tablet. The Huawei MatePad Pro on the left and the Realme Pad X on the right are top contenders. So let's break it down. Now on the left, the MatePad Pro boasts a stunning OLED display with vibrant colors, so the Pad X opts for a more budget-friendly LCD. While it's still decent, but it's not as impressive as the Huawei MatePad Pro. Now let's focus under the hood. The MatePad Pro packs a powerful processor for smooth multitasking. The Pad X, on the other hand, is no slouch, but you might notice a slight performance dip in intense tasks. Now, for software-wise, the MatePad Pro runs a HarmonyOS, offering a unique user-friendly experience, while the Pad X utilizes a Realme UI known for its clean interface and helpful features. Now, design-wise, the MatePad Pro exudes a premium with its sleek metal build. The Pad X has a more budget-friendly feel but still looks modern. So, battery life is a close call. So, both offer a decent endurance, but the MatePad Pro might have a slight edge. Charging speeds are comparable. So, how about the cameras? So, it's not a major factor in tablet choices, but both capture decent photos and videos for everyday use. Now, the MatePad Pro commands a higher price tag, reflecting in its premium features, while the Pad X offers a more excellent value for the money. So, who wins this? So, the MatePad Pro reigns supreme for those seeking the best display, performance, and premium experience. But if you have a budget, or you're working on a budget, then the Realme Pad X is a fantastic option. So ultimately, the best choice depends on your budget and priorities. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful comparison reviews.